Today I have made fried pickles. Now if you guys have never had fried pickles, today is your lucky day. I have a recipe that is crispy, good, and well flavorful and seasoned, honey. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm gonna enjoy my fried pickles. Dip them in the ranch. Hope you guys enjoy. Because I love seasoning, there is paprika, onion, garlic powder, and pepper. Now I used a lot of pepper because I want them to be spicy. The trick is with pickles, they're already a little salty, so I saved my Himalayan salt for the very end.
Now after you've mixed the seasonings well, you're going to apply your seasonings to your pickles. Now you want to make sure that you coat the pickles very well with your seasoning. You need it done thoroughly for that good flavor. Next, you'll see me dip into the flour, over to the milk, and then to the cornmeal. Now this is key when achieving the crunch.
I chose to use milk. A lot of people use eggs. I choose to leave my eggs for omelets and cakes and cookies and cupcakes, honey. I know that I can still get that crispy effect with just milk after you double coat.
Now I'm going to dip it into my cornmeal and over to the plate. I have one ready for that hot grease. Look at it. You can tell it's going to be crunchy.
The reason why I have flour and cornmeal, this is going to help these pickles give that crispy, crunchy texture that you are looking for. That's what makes it good. After all, you bite into a pickle, a fried pickle at that, you want that crunch.
Now, if you don't have the tongues, no worry. You can definitely use your fingers and it'll come out just fine. See? It works. I have my pickles coated well. Now it's time for the grease. Look at them. They are so delectable. Yes. Sprinkle a little Himalayan salt. I have my ranch here with some sliced cucumbers, and voila, finished product. Yummy. Let's watch that one more time. Okay guys, I'm done teasing.
Yes, I am still eating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me that thumbs up. And until next time, guys, bye. These are good.